Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys this simple hairstyle. I'll be showing you all how I made this super easy hairstyle that I pull off in less than 45 minutes, probably 30 minutes. So if you're interested in seeing this style, why not keep on watching? And with no further ado, let us dive right in. To begin this style, I'm gonna brush out my hair. As you guys can see, my hair is pretty much clean. I've washed it I think the previous day, the previous day. So I just went ahead to start parting it out. Actually, I never planned on making this hair on this day. It was an impromptu decision. As a matter of fact, this was evening. It was around 4 p.m. at the time, and which I've never done. Any day I plan on making my hair, I always begin in the morning as early as 9, 8 even. I always begin in the morning. So to tell you how unplanned this style is, I started by 4 p.m. or even worse. So as you guys just saw me, I parted out the front. Now I parted out this back. See, this is a very freestyle hairstyle. Like, I can't even overemphasize that. For starters, I stood up throughout making this hair. Like, I never sat for a second. I was standing, though I had my mirror hung on the wall close by. Obviously, you have seen me straining my neck, a couple of times, trying to look into the mirror to see what I was doing. I had my mirror there, but it was still difficult. This is not the position I have seen myself in. Whenever I'm making my hair, I'm always relaxed. So it was quite difficult, but I mean, I wasn't going for anything perfect. I was in a hurry, everything. And by the way, just in case you're wondering, what will you use this hairstyle for? Like, how can you rock it? This hairstyle is perfect for photo shoot, especially when you're going, towards the African photo shoot vibe. This hairstyle is perfect for you. And you can even rock it on a normal day. Who says you can't rock this style on a normal day? You can. I mean... we have to represent our heritage. Okay, how I wish I had this idea. Before my birthday, I would have rocked it for my photo shoot. So you guys just saw me part this hair. I am not even explaining. That is because there is nothing much to explain here. Like, nothing much. I just sectioned this hair however way I liked. I think I have 7. I sectioned it into 7. Literally. So I'll only be using 2 items to achieve this style. That is this afro kinky extension and Brazilian wool. And all these are leftover. Well, it was leftover to an extent till I ran out of the afro kinky. So I just had to send someone to go get something for me from a nearby beauty supply store, and I continue with this. I just keep on watching and see everything I'm doing. Like I said, there is nothing to explain here, but I will chip in when need be. So you guys are seeing that unlike the previous one I worked on before this current one, the hair is not braided. That is, my natural hair is not braided before I started braiding with the extension. So you don't necessarily have to braid all of them. Okay, it will still come out fine. All you just need is your hair. Like, literally. So I'm just doing the usual. I braided the extension, that is the afro kinky, onto my hair first before I started threading with the Brazilian wool. I threaded to an extent, and I tied it up and cut out the excess. So again, I will repeat the same on this middle one. Okay, I did something different with this middle one, with this one. That is because the hair is very chunky. It is very huge. So I tried braiding before threading, like I have been doing, and I just realized it's just too big and it looks way out of line. So I decided to start threading my hair directly. I threaded to an extent, then I braided the afro kinky onto the hair and started threading again, covering up the whole track. I mean, just like that. And I tied up when I got to my desired length and cut out the excess. that is how easy it is. Like, this hairstyle is so easy, anyone can pull this off. Like, no matter how bad you are in making your own hair, trust me, you're gonna pull this off. That's how easy it is. So I think I have 1 or 2 more remaining at the back, and I decided to just do that off camera. I mean, I've showed you guys everything there is to show. Else you guys would just be bored. Okay, that's just one. Yeah, that's just one remaining. So I went ahead to just do that off camera, and look at. Okay, we are not done. So right now I'll go ahead to start tying the tip with a rubber band. Yeah, just normal tying. Okay, and because my hair is very long, I kind of tucked in my hair into this whole tying that I did here, like into the Afro kinky, that bulky place. I tucked in my hair there. So for this next one, there's a way I tied it. Okay, it wasn't the plan. The first one was the plan. The first one I tied. The second one was not the plan. I just tried it out and it looked nice, so I decided to go on with it. Like, I just tied the hair and I kind of bend it over, giving it another puff. I don't know if you guys are getting what I'm explaining, but literally like this, not just one pop. Like, it will have something else at the bottom like this. Yeah, like that. There's something else. So you can just avoid all that, just give it only one pop, like tie it, and there's no extra thing at the bottom like my own. You can just avoid all that drama. It's really not necessary. And look at tell me this hairstyle is cute. Like, I want to hear. Just tell me in the comment section. I know it's cute too, but I still want to hear from your own. It looks so good, and I didn't even stress myself with making up my face or nothing. I didn't at all. This hairstyle was impromptu, so there was no need for that. All I just did was change my outfit and put on some earrings that I got from South Africa, which is so pretty, and it just complements everything. It's just giving the whole African queen vibe. I mean, so later on I decided to just hide that dangling thing at the bottom, and it still looked nice. So yeah, I guess we've come to the end of this video. If you've watched to this point and you enjoyed what you saw, why not go ahead to give this video a thumbs up? Yeah, subscribe in case you haven't, and catch you in my next one. Bye.
Over here, I can feel you over here. You take up every corner of my